Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a Halloween edition. Halloween is right around the corner, 16 more days. I know I'm getting a late start because my son's birthday is October 12th, and when we have a party, we don't want to have a whole bunch of Halloween stuff around a birthday party. So that's why I'm getting a late start, but I'm going to decorate a 3-tier tray for Halloween. So if you are interested in how I did all of this, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay guys, and that is it. That is my 3-tier tray for Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if any of you are wondering why I didn't decorate the back, is because this is going to be going above my kitchen sink where you're not going to be able to see the back, just the sides. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, please go ahead and give my video a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button, and there'll be more Halloween videos coming your way.